Let's try one more challenge in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Hold, Fillet, Combine, and Revolve. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make the base. So we will select the top plane and make this sketch. We will create this triangle here. The distance 60 millimeters here and 50 millimeters here. And here will be the midpoint. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select a line, make a line here, and go to dimension. And the length of this line here is 60 millimeters. And the distance between this point and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. Go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here. And go to horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. Finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 6 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, 6 millimeters of distance and press OK. And now we will create this fillet here with 6 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, and this one. The radius here is 6 millimeters, press OK. And now we will create this hole. This tree hole has 6 millimeters of diameter and it is concentric with the fillet. So go to create a sketch and select this face. Press letter P in the keyboard, select this face here and press OK. And here we have the center of the fillets. So finish the sketch, go to hole, the placement, select from sketch, select this 3-point here. The extend, select all, the hole type simple, tape type simple, and the diameter here is 6 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create this body here. So to create this, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we make, we'll take reference from this body here. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create, select the project included, project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And now we will create this construction line. The distance between this point and the midpoint is letter C, 30 millimeters, and the angle between this line here and this line here is letter B, 40 degrees. So select line, a construction line. Click here, make a construction line here, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here, 40 degrees, and the distance between this point and this point here is 30 millimeters. Now we will create this line here and this one. This line here, the length of this line is 90 millimeters because it is the radius of this dimension here, 18 millimeters. And this line here will be coincident with the midpoint. So select the line, click here, make a line here. Remove the construction line type. Make a line here with 9 millimeters of length and create this line here coincident with the midpoint. And go to constraints and select the parallel, select this line and this one. And now we will create a line here with 20 millimeters of length and create this arc here with 9 millimeters of radius. This arc is tangent with this line. So select line, click here on this point, 20 millimeters of length. Click with the left button of the mouse and hold this button to make an arc. And go to sketch dimension. The radius here, 90 millimeters. And now we will create this line here. This line is this one. So we will create this line and this line here. We'll make this fillet later, okay? The angle between these two lines is 180 degrees. So select line, click here. Go to constraint, select the tangent, make this line tangent with this arc, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 108 degrees. Let me move this point a little bit. And now we will create this line here and this one. And the distance between this line here and this one is 3 millimeters. So select line, click here in this point, make a line here, and then another line here. Go to constraints and select parallel, select this line and this one. And select this line and this construction line here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines is 3 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and this face is 8 millimeters. So select this line and this one, 8 millimeters here. And here the distance between this line here and this line here is 22 millimeters. So select this line here and select this one. The distance here is 22 millimeters. We made this one. And here we have a circle here with 8 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here, 8 millimeters of diameter. And now we need to extrude this profile. And the distance is letter D, 18 millimeters. So finish the sketch, show the body one, go to extrude, select this profile. And the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 18 millimeters. The operation here is join. And press OK. Now let's create a fillet here, a full round fillet. So go to fillet, select a full round fillet, select this face. We get an error here. So to correct this, edit the extrusion. So this extrusion here, the operation will be new body, and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. We have the base and this body. Now go to fillet, full round fillet, and select this face and press OK. Show the body one. We made this. Now go to combine the target body, select the base, and the tool body, select this one. The operation is join, press OK. We have only one profile here, only one part. And now we will create this cut here. So to create this cut, we will make this circle here with 39 millimeters of diameter. Let me remove the other line here. So we will create this circle, okay? This circle is concentric with this one. And we need to cut here 3 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Press letter P in the keyboard. Selection filter, select specified entities. Select this circle here and press OK. Now select the circle, make a circle at this point with 39 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance 3 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. We made this cut here. Let me flip the direction here. And now let's create this fillet here. This 3 fillet with 3 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet and select this edge here. Remove the foreground fillet, select the fillet, the type. Select this edge here, and this edge here. The radius here is 3 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create this cut here in the main body. So we will make this sketch here in the front plane. But first we will take some reference. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here show the sketch, hide this body a little bit. Show the sketch 3 and go to create, project include, project. And the selection filter, specified entities, select this point here and select this point here and press OK. Hide the sketch 3, select line, make a line here between these 2 points. And here we will create a line here with 7 millimeters and create this line here with 28 millimeters. So select the line, 7 millimeters here and 28 millimeters here. Make sure that this line is perpendicular each other. And now we will create a line here and the angle here 90 degrees and create this line here. And the distance between this line here and the center line is 5 millimeters. So select the line, click here. And here we'll close the sketch here, okay? Go to constraint, select collinear, select this line and this one. And go to sketch dimension. The angle here is, the angle between this line here and this line here must be 45 degrees. Let me remove the horizontal constraint here. And the angle here, 45 degrees. And the distance between this line and this one is 5 millimeters. It is making the angle here because this line is not parallel. So go to constraint, select parallel, select this line and this one. Now make the dimensions here, 5 millimeters. And here you can put the distance here just to make a cut. Can be 10 millimeters, no problem. And finish the sketch. Show this body here. The sketch is this. And go to Revolve, select this profile and the axis, select this line here. Show the body one. The operation here is cut and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.